Hi everyone, Paul here from Elevated Perspectives. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the exact controller settings I use to make the Mini 5 Pro fly smoothly and cinematically. Tap Settings, go to Control, then gain an Expo tuning, and make sure we're in Cine mode because everything here is designed specifically for cinematic flying. Let's start with how the aircraft moves. For maximum horizontal speed, I leave this at 6 meters per second, which instantly stops the drone rushing through shots. If the wind is low, I may reduce it to 4 meters per second. For ascent speed, leave it at 2 meters per second for nice smooth climbs, and descent speed at around 1.5 to 2 meters per second, because fast drops never look cinematic. Next is angular velocity, which controls how quickly the drone rotates. I slow this down to about 50 degrees per second so orbit shots feel smooth instead of jerky. Then I set yaw smoothness to around 25 so the drone eases into and out of rotations rather than snapping. And finally, I reduce brake sensitivity to around 80, which means when you release the sticks, the drone glides to a gentle stop instead of slamming on the brakes. Now let's adjust the Expo settings, because this is what really gives you fine stick control. Expo controls sensitivity around the center of the sticks. Lower Expo means tiny stick movement equals tiny aircraft movement, perfect for cinematic flying. For up and down, again 0.2, so altitude changes are gentle. And for yaw, I slightly increase Expo to 0.3. For pitch and roll, I set Expo to 0.2 for smooth forward and sideways movement, which really helps create soft, controlled pans. So to quickly summarize, we've slowed the drone down so nothing moves too fast, we've softened yaw and braking so everything feels fluid, and we've tuned Expo so your inputs are precise and controlled. Put it all together, and the Mini 5 Pro immediately feels calmer, smoother, and much more cinematic. These settings are designed mainly for filmmaking, so if you need speed or you're in strong wind, you can always turn to normal or sport modes. But once you understand how these work, you can adjust them to suit your own flying style. There's a downloadable PDF in the description with all of these values clearly listed so you can follow along, and in the next tutorial we'll move on to camera settings so your footage doesn't just fly cinematically, it also looks cinematic. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.